Your PDF is stuck in the print queue. You've clicked cancel 10 times. You've restarted your printer. Nothing works. That document just sits there, blocking everything else from printing. Here's exactly how to fix it. This works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and Mac. Let's start with the fastest method for Windows users. This takes about 30 seconds. First, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and the letter R at the same time. Type services.msc and press Enter. This opens the Windows Services window. Now scroll down the list until you find Print Spooler. Right-click on it and select Stop. Wait a few seconds until the service stops completely. Next, open File Explorer. Navigate to this path, c:/Windows/System32/spool/printers. All caps on printers. Select all the files in this folder using Control-A, delete them. These are your stuck print jobs. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything important. These are just temporary files. Now go back to the Services window, find Print Spooler again, right-click and select Start. That's it. Your print queue is now clear. Try printing your PDF again. If you prefer using Command Prompt, here's an even faster method. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. Type netstop spooler and press Enter. Then type del%systemroot %/system32/spool/printers/** sheet /Q and press Enter. Finally, type netstart spooler and press Enter. 3 commands, done. Your queue is cleared. For Windows 10 users who deal with this problem frequently, create a batch file. Open Notepad. Paste these lines. At echo off, then netstop spooler, then del:/Q/F/S %systemroot %system32 /spool ****, then netstart spooler, then echo done, then pause. Save this file as clearprintq.bat on your desktop. Next time a print job gets stuck, just right-click the batch file, select Run as administrator, and the queue clears instantly. Now let's cover the Mac fix. Open Terminal. You can find it by pressing Command Space and typing Terminal. Once it opens, type Cancel-A and press Enter. This cancels all pending print jobs on all printers. If that doesn't work, you might need to reset the entire printing system. Go to System Settings, then Printers and Scanners. Right-click anywhere in the printer list and select Reset Printing System. This removes all printers and clears all jobs. You'll need to add your printer again afterward. Some Mac users on Sonoma or Sequoia see an error saying you must be an administrator to delete this job, even when logged in as admin. This is a known bug. The terminal command works around it. Let's talk about why this happens in the first place. The Print Spooler is a Windows service that manages all print jobs. It receives documents, processes them, and sends them to your printer. When something goes wrong, jobs can get stuck in limbo. The spooler thinks the job is still processing, but it's actually frozen. PDFs are especially prone to this because they can contain complex elements. Embedded fonts, high-resolution images, and vector graphics all require extra processing. If the PDF has rendering issues or uses fonts your system doesn't have, the spooler can freeze. Other causes include printer connection dropouts, outdated drivers, corrupted PDF files, and low system memory. To prevent stuck print jobs in the future, keep your printer drivers updated. Use a USB connection instead of Wi-Fi for large documents. Avoid printing PDFs larger than 100 megabytes without splitting them first. Close unnecessary applications before printing large files to free up memory. If a specific PDF keeps getting stuck, try printing it as an image. In Adobe Acrobat, click File, then Print, then Advanced. Then check Print as Image. This converts the PDF to a simple image before printing, bypassing complex font and vector processing. You can also try a different PDF reader. Adobe Acrobat Reader, Foxit Reader, Microsoft Edge, and Sumatra PDF all handle printing differently. Sometimes switching applications solves persistent problems. Your stuck print job is now cleared. Bookmark this solution for next time. It happens to everyone eventually.